Everybody, welcome back to Electric Tornado. Today we're going to be going over our severe weather forecast for the next few days, and our normal weather forecast and our tropical weather forecast. So let's get into it. Firstly, let's go over our severe weather forecast for the next few days. Starting with today, August 29th, 2025, as we do get a marginal risk over here for parts of northeastern New Mexico, panhandles of Texas and Oklahoma, western Kansas, eastern Colorado, and parts of Nebraska and South Dakota, where some scattered severe weather will be a possibility today, with the chances for isolated tornado or two, mainly over here for Nebraska and parts of northwestern Kansas. Will be a possibility to see some isolated tornado or two. Some strong winds up to 60 miles per hour will also be a possibility, and some small hail will also be a possibility within this risk. So make sure to be staying weather aware if you're in there, but it's nothing too crazy. And then we do got some storms coming down here that could produce flooding, wind gusts, and possibly even colder, a little bit more moisture temperatures as it starts going south, and it could also cause some flooding down there. And yeah, we do get a marginal risk for this area, so make sure to be staying weather aware, as a few storms will be a possibility to produce severe wind gusts. Let's check out our day 2 outlook for tomorrow, August 30th, as we don't even have a severe weather outlook for tomorrow. We're not expecting severe weather anywhere in the United States tomorrow. So yeah, we don't have to talk about that, but we also don't expect any severe weather for August 31st either. So yeah. Now that we got our severe weather outlook down, with that said, let's go to our tropical weather outlook, as we do have a tropical disturbance over here in the Atlantic Ocean, with a day 2 0% chance of development low, with a day 7 30% chance of development low. Let's see what it says. Eastern tropical Atlantic. A tropical wave is forecast to emerge off the west coast of Africa on Sunday. Therefore, after environmental conditions could support some slow development of the system while it moves westward to northwestward at 15 to 20 miles per hour across the eastern and central tropical Atlantic next week. So that's what that one is about. And we also got 2 other tropical disturbances over here, which are in the Pacific Ocean, where we could see a few tropical storms develop, with a chance of it possibly trying to impact Hawaii, as some of these could start developing into a tropical storm over there. So we just need to be watching out for a tropical storm to develop within this tropical disturbance over there. So with that said, let's talk about some of our temperatures that we've been having and the drop of temperatures over here in the Midwest, as we do have the temperatures from Canada have been going down into the United States, with the jet stream kind of moving along, causing colder temperatures in the Midwest. It used to be kind of like this with the colder temperatures, but now it's kind of moved toward more westward, and now it's kind of including this area, as the temperatures should start warming up on the East Coast, possibly, but it still should stay pretty cold in the Midwest due to Canada's cold air coming down to the United States. That will eventually go into Oklahoma and possibly cause cold temperatures in Oklahoma, and then it'll start getting warmer again in 3 to 4 weeks possibly. So yeah. And we also do have to talk about this air quality alert. Well, not air quality alert. We gotta talk about this special weather statement up here, because we got some fog up there. So just be watching out for any kind of fog up there for parts of northwestern Minnesota and eastern South Dakota. So yeah, I think that was it for our severe weather outlook, for all of our weather outlooks. Thank you guys for watching. Labor Day should be a pretty good day for most people. It might be a little bit chilly in some places. Could see some rain in a few places in Ohio especially. So yeah. I actually reached down to 47 degrees at my place last night. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a good day, and make sure to be staying weather aware. Expect videos to come out either tomorrow or the next day, and I'll also be making a Labor Day weather outlook tomorrow. Bye. Maybe. Bye.